Cowboy boots and Play-Doh guitars. Love Willie Nelson, pearl snap shirts and honky-tonk bars. I've always known how blessed I am to be from the USA. Ain't never once forgotten the price that has been paid. Now everywhere I look I see it's happening again. Lord, I'm so out of style, I think I'm coming back in. Well, I'm as far from perfect as a man can be, and I ain't saying what you should and should not believe. I'm just glad my mom and daddy raised me like they did. I'm so out of style, I think I'm coming back in. People say it's my old soul that makes me feel the way I do. Why else would I love purple haze and blue suede shoes? Cool Hand Luke, the Honeymooners, and the Sullivan Show. Thank God they play the reruns, or I would never know just how great it was and how it can be again. Lord, I'm so out of style, I think I'm coming back in. Well, I'm as far from perfect as a man can be, and I ain't saying what you should and should not believe. I'm just glad my mom and daddy raised me like they did. I'm so out of style, I think I'm coming back in. Woo! As a man can be, and I ain't saying what you should and should not believe. I'm just glad my mom and daddy raised me like they did. I'm so out of style, I think I'm coming back in. Lord,